The money is in. All the bets have been locked. All right, let's just get this party started. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Welcome to the Collector's Corner. It is April 5th, 2022. It's Aris and the lovely Leslie. That's when you're supposed to say hello. All right, great. So we're opening up 2 boxes of UFC Panini Prizm. Very exciting times. You can find 2 autographs per box on average. There's 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. That is 288 cards in this break. We're going to get this party started right now because we've been waiting long enough. And according to Michael, it's time to party. So, I agree. Let's do it. Nunez and Araujo. Are you all crystal over there? Yeah. All right. Good luck to everybody. Can't get enough of this diamond in the rough. These are what the packs look like. The wee font on the back. Let's do it. Johnny Walker. No way that's his real name. Jalen Turner, rookie. Fontana, California. I've been there before. Casey O'Neill. Mojo. Misha Tate. My fix. Feel free to chat along with us. 9 out of 25 on the Misha Tate. Misha Cupcake Tate. 9 out of 25. Good looking card. The Prizm is a Robert Whitaker. It is so shiny. Carlos Oliveira insert, Bryce Mitchell, Alex Morano. Celia Abbott. Ryan Spahn. Kelvin Gastelum, Phil Hawes, definitely Phil's natural hair color right there. Ooh, baby, we're already rocketing out of the gate. Rallion Paiva, rookie red. That is 292 out of 299 on the Paiva. And look at this. Autograph, Billy Quarantillo. 24 out of 25. Let's see how it looks. Oh, yeah. Billy Q. First ink going to Quarantillo. Bill Buffer in the background. That's pretty cool. Dustin Poirier. Sergey Spivak. Frankie Edgar, Chuck Liddell. If you have not done so already, see that thing in the top left corner? It says first 500 people to like our page can be entered into a chance to win a spot in a box break. That will be opened up once we get 500 likes on Facebook. We are getting very, very close. So if you haven't done so already, feel free to go onto our Facebook page right now and join in on the fun. You can see all of our upcoming box breaks and different giveaways. run here of rookies. We'll be opening up two cello packs and 4 hangers of 2020 Mosaic Football. Oh, I don't know why I just did that one up. I was just in the zone, I guess. Kennedy. Silver is an Edson Barbosa. Another good-looking card. Max Holloway. South American. I don't understand what that means. Robbie Lawler, Shmuel Gamzatov. Sorry once again for the pronunciations. Doing my best. Blue Jimmy Krutz. That is numbered 116 out of 199. Congrats on that. It's a fun one. Red Misha. Silver Sterling insert. Looks like there's a little bit of a ding underneath the Prizm logo. You can see that right there. It's like a little dot. I don't think that's supposed to be there. Funk Master. Rodriguez. Nick Diaz, Leon Edwards, Carol Rosa. Hands in the air, wave them like you just don't care. Thiago Santos. Bea Malecki, rookie. And followed by the Silver Bea, back to back, huh? John Jones insert. Sean O'Malley, Kevin Lee, Felicia Spencer. Anybody watch the championship game last night? Saw how North Carolina totally choked it away. Only tuned in here and there. And I saw how they were winning by a bunch. And then I saw how they lost by 3. Tough contest there. But they gave it a good ride, and it seems as if the better team ended up winning the contest. Red Jared Cannonier. That's 79 out of 299. Seems like that second 9 is like higher than the other ones, doesn't it? Silver Li Jingliang. Shevchenko. Shogun Rua. Cabo Moises. I heard on the radio, Michael, that they had a chance to tie the game at the end. Like, did they have a 3 as a last second, like, buzzer beater to try to tie it? Aaron Till. Ankalev. Got some color coming up here. Claudio Puelis. Yen for 3. Yeah, I need to go watch the highlights of that. Rafael dos Anjos, orange. That's 90 out of 99 on the Dos Anjos. Oh, they rushed the shot, Michael? How did Manic do? I know that guy. Him and, what's his name? It's not Boycott. It's something similar to that, right? I know they are like, they're the heart and soul of that team. Kansas stepped out of bounds on the inbound pass. You got to be kidding me, man. Good Lord. What if that cost him the game? That kid would have been shunned from the state for the rest of his life. Jeff Neal. The blue is a Santiago Ponzinibbio. What do you know about Santiago, Leslie? I don't know. 166 out of 199 on the blue. Jan Blachowicz. Unless that's like a new letter. Do you see that line through the L? Is that always there? John Jones. Michael Chandler. Gamro. Josh Emmett. Rounds out that hat. Still looking for autograph number 2 in this box. Starting off with a Tom Aspinall. Derek Brunson. Adrian Yanez, rookie. It's Polish. Okay, cool. Thanks for the heads up on that. I figured as much. That it wasn't like an error. I assumed it had to have been something else. Cody Stamen. Yep, there it is. I got it one then. Kyle Costa, Mackenzie Dern. Colby Covington. Jack Hermanson, Brock Lesnar. Another Lee. A lot of pulls about Lee right now. Good for that Lee PC. Silver Charles Oliveira. Nick Diaz. Glover Teixeira. Jeff Molina. Rookie. Dominic Reyes. Got some color back there peeking out. Dustin Jacoby. Pedro Munoz, Alexander Romanov. He looks like a big boy. Not many cards that have him like not in the ring. John Purple Jeff Neal. That is 144 out of 149 on the Neal. Silver Kennedy. Is that the second one that we pulled of him? I think it's some type of like variation. Roxanne, Chase Hooper. All right. Last pack of the first box. Let's hope we didn't get skunked here. There's 2 autographs per box on average. Alex Caceres, Vicente Luque, Corey McKenna, Max Holloway. We got a Shard coming up. Pena. Shard is a Max Holloway. There it is. The second autograph. Waiting for the second pack. Grant Dawson. Rookie auto. Well done. Grant Dawson is the second ink of the day. Diaz Marquez rookie. All right. Everybody having fun so far? I hope so. So we've seen 2 autographs already. And if you haven't done so already, if this is your first time in the Collector's Corner, you always be on the lookout for random things that could happen. Like, for example, we are about to open up 2 bonus packs just because we like you. How do you feel about that one, boys and girls? Little extra bonus, little something special. So feel free to like us on Facebook and Instagram at Collector's Corner TN. We're going to open up these 2 packs absolutely for free. So hopefully we get something fantastic out of these packs. 4 cards per pack. Some added value for you. Rob Font, Mickey Gall, silver, Joanna and Saeed, rookie. Nice. Let's see what the second pack has in store. Song Yadong, Mahmoud Muradov, rookie. Justin Insert and an Ankalev rookie. There you have it. Well, we didn't get anything really that amazing out of it. So let's open up this Chronicles Blaster too. Why not, right? Today, there's no April Fool's in here. We're going to open up this blaster as well for you guys. 5 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. These are all bonus cards coming from the Collector's Corner to you, the wonderful people that are part of this break. Thank you so much for joining us, and be on the lookout for more breaks where you can get free stuff just like this. I know we do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got to roll. So. Let's go into the Chronicles where you never know what can happen. Conor McGregor, Francis, Jorge Masvidal, Black. Rookies and stars, Conor McGregor, Michael Chandler rookie. Amanda Nunes, Conor McGregor, and an Elite, Amaru. Gilbert Burns rated rookie. McGregor. Chimaev die cut. Usman and an XR Michael Chandler. Here we are on the bonus blaster box of Chronicles. Nate Diaz, John Jones, another John Jones. Ooh, pink Conor McGregor certified. And certified Kamari. Jorge Masvidal, John Jones, Israel, pink Nagano die cut. And the Illusions, Michael Chandler rookie card. John Jones, Vittori rated rookie. Michael Chandler score. No way. Do you see this right here? Coming out of the blaster box in a bonus box, an autographed Jan Blachowicz. Look at that. So in this bonus box that you just had, we just pulled an autograph out of it. Check that out. That's pretty all right. That is added value. That's what we wanted to see. There's 2 bonus packs, not much, but here's a bonus autograph. That is pretty sick. On the red. And then, of course, another Michael Chandler. Masvidal, McGregor, Ngannou, Beeb. Nate Diaz. Chimaev rookie. Diaz. Nice, some color here on the Gilbert Burns rookie. All right. No more freebies. I think that was pretty okay, though. Back to box number 2. The fun never stops. Once you pop, the fun don't stop. Good luck here in the second hobby box. Starting off on a Romanoff. Off on the Romanoff. Got a Shard. Jared Cannonier. Silver Yanez. Conor McGregor, Macy Barber, TJ Dillashaw. If you are here early for the Topps baseball break, that will be taking place in 19 minutes. Maybe a little bit more than that, depending on how quickly we get through this break here. Phil Hawes. Johnny Walker, Jalen Turner. The blue is a Davison Figueiredo. That's 60 out of 199. First autograph coming out of pack number 1. Mike Perry is the pool. And that is a good looking autograph. I will say that. He definitely was practicing on that. Looks like he likes to go Michael on the autograph. Michael Perry is the auto. First auto in the box. Yuri. Duplessis rookie. Michael Chandler. Another Lee. Robert Whitaker, Charles Oliveira, Alexander Volkanovsky, Alexander Volkov. Prizm Jennifer Maia. Fearless insert Jeff Molina rookie. Dominic Reyes, Marquez rookie. Baseball season is right around the corner. Anybody interested in baseball? Baseball is almost here. Apparently, it's already here for the AAA teams. Orange, Leon Edwards. Leon, 6 out of 99. low number. Anthony Smith. Corey Sandhagen, Augusto Sakai, Amanda Nunes, Israel, and Shavkat Rachmanov. It's cool. It's a different angle on that card. It's fun. I like the typical just one hand in the air. Calvin Qatar, Sadiq Youssef, Nate Diaz, Leon Edwards, Red Mackenzie Dern, the Tennessee Smokies are the proud AA affiliate of the Chicago Cubs. 298 out of 299. For those of you that don't know, yes, we are located right here in the front offices of the Tennessee Smokies, the proud AA affiliate of the Chicago Cubs, the 2016 World Series champion Chicago Cubs.
We still have to remember that one.
Yep. Kevin Lee Prizm. Chan Sung Jung. Anthony Smith. Derek Lewis. That's fine. Okay. Oh, what was Woody's real name? Robert Woods? Ron. Sorry. Ron's in Des Moines. You'll be seeing some Brennan Davis this year.
That's not what he's Randy.
Randy Wood. Marlon Vera. That's cool. That's cool.
Are you a Cubs fan?
Yeah, are you an actual Cubs fan?
Or do you just live there?
Do you support the hometown team? That's what minor league baseball is all about. Supporting the hometown team. John Jones, Brad Riddell. You saw Vida Blue pitch there when you were... Wow, good lord. That's pretty cool. That wasn't even close. Oh, man. We were doing so well.
Oh, that.
Oh. We're back. All right. It is warm in here. It is toasty in this place.
Like, I'm wondering how much even on my t-shirt. Like, you're in a sweater.
Well, it's not a sweater, but it's like a quarter zip, right?
It's a sweater.
All right, it's a sweater then.
And then I would consider that a sweatshirt.
Chan Sung Jung. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely sweating opportunities in here. The Orioles have had better days, but you saw one of the best ever to play with Brooks Robinson. Brandon Royval, Prizm. I don't think we've seen one of his cards yet. Then again, we might have, but definitely not a Prizm one. Valentina Shevchenko. Paulo Costa. Got something fun. Max Holloway, Juliana Pena, Stephen Peterson. Or is it Pedersen? Sean Brady, rookie. Not to be mistaken with Tom Brady, in case you think they look alike. You don't think he looks like Tom Brady? Hmm. Derek Lewis shard. Number 1. And our next autograph, Alexander Volkanovski, champion with the belt, the gold accents. Congratulations to our Volkanovski purchaser. Pretty sick. Pretty sick looking card right there. Congratulations on that for our Volkanovski purchaser. Still see if we can pull some fun stuff from the remainder of these packs. Jack Shore. Thompson, Magny, Leron Murphy. Stoked. Bigger if he wins on Saturday. Well, yeah, that's the truth. Bigger and better. Claudio Puelles. Need some more sleeves here for all these bangers. Tom Aspinall, Derek Brunson. We got a mauve Kamaru. I know. I just said I went on to the next one. 36 of 149. Red Misha. John Jones Fireworks. Sergei Spivak. Anybody can help Bill out there with that question? That's something I do not know. Why Torres is not in the product this year. Why don't I? Because I'm a big dummy head. Blue Alex Morano. $115 out of $199. Another Jan. Remember his bonus autograph earlier. Joel Alvarez. Two more packs to go. It's been a fun hour. Hope everybody enjoys their lunch. If you're on the East Coast at 12, we won't be having our lunch at 12. So we have another box break to do. You know, it feeds our egos, right, Leslie? You don't have an ego. Everybody has somewhat of an ego. Julia Avila. Aisha Spencer Prizm. All right. Last pack of the break. Once again, thank you so much for joining us here today on the Collector's Corner. Be on the lookout for more box breaks coming up on our Facebook, Instagram, and of course our eBay page. If you haven't done so already, feel free to give us a like, because you never know, maybe the next break you'll be in, you'll get some more free stuff. So far, just the ladies in this pack. Red, Steven Peterson, rookie. $170 out of $299 on the Peterson. Silver, Raphael Fiziev. Overall, I think it was a very, very successful break. Got some nice cards, some low-numbered cards as well. 5 autographs, 1 out of that bonus blaster. Hard to beat it. That's it, my friends. Thank you so much once again for joining us. If you're here for the baseball break, we'll see you back in about 3.5 minutes. Good night.